channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this Wengie'S slime pack. It's called, let me show you, Whimsical Wengie'S 4-pack scented slime pack, and it's from Target. I literally just got back from Target, and I was just really excited to open this. So yeah, I just decided to film it for you guys. So it comes with 4 different slimes, and here is, I'm sorry that it's like zoomed up a lot, but yeah, that's how it's gonna be. But anyways, they say it's you play, stretch, and squish, and it sounds pretty cool, so I'm very excited. And it also says surprise unicorn charm inside. Collect them all. And here's all of them. 1 cotton candy slime, 1 birthday slime, 1 banana slime, 1 candy slime, and a unicorn slime. No, unicorn charm, sorry. And yeah, here's your face. I love you, Wengie'S. It's not sponsored, obviously, but like, if you're watching this, you probably aren't, but if you are, then hello. I love you. Okay. Anyways, let's just open this. I'm so super excited. Opening it up right now. Oh my gosh. You guys, you guys don't even know how excited I am. Like, I'm literally so excited. Okay. We're about to open it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And I did get before the, this is the charm. I did get before the ℕ𝕆𝕋 one, but I didn't have a YouTube channel when I got that. But those were like okay, but they were pretty good. It's just that like they got all bad after a while. So yeah, ooh, this is like satisfying. Okay, well I did it the wrong way, but it's fine. So we have all these 4 slimes. You have this one. This one looks really nice. It has like diamonds in it. This one. This is probably, yeah, it's the birthday cake. And these are all scented, did I say? This is the banana cloud, which is pretty cool. And then we finally have the cotton candy cloud. So I'm so excited. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Let's go. So here's the first slime. I'm so excited. I keep on saying that, but like, it's true. So there's probably gonna be a seal. Let's see. Okay, so there's a seal. Oh, that is much easier to open than the other one, which is like pretty nice because it took me a really long time to open that one. So, ooh, this feels nice. Okay, I'm just like getting it off the cap. But yeah. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm feeling this right now, and it almost feels like a butter slime. Okay, let's do this. Oh, wait, oh my gosh. This is definitely like a butter type slime. Let me smell it. It doesn't really smell like anything to me, but I mean, I don't really care. So yeah, and I think, oh yeah, there's like some sprinkles in this. Oh my gosh, so cool. Okay, this is just awesome. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm like obsessed. But here it is. Okay, wait, let me get out this. Okay, so here it is. And it is honestly like really stretchy for like a store-bought slime. I am very impressed. And whenever like I play with slimes, I make it look like it's like hard because I have like colder hands. So slimes usually that are stickier for other people are harder for me. That's just, you know, what my hands are like. Some people have warm hands, but I have more cold hands. So yeah, it might be like really nice for some people, but still I love this one. It's like super thick, and I don't know, the texture is just very like interesting, and I don't know, it's like very unique, and I'm a fan. Like, I honestly love this one. And this one, I don't know, I feel like it wasn't scented. It does smell like something, but I don't think it smells like birthday cake. But it's fine, I don't really care. I love this. And in case you guys are wondering, the whole slime pack that came with 4 slimes was only $13, I think $12.99, which is a pretty good deal. I think the ones that I got at that ℕ𝕆𝕋 were like $15. I don't know if I'm right. It was like a year ago. But yeah, like, oh yeah, it was a year ago. Yeah, it was a long time ago, but yeah. Oh, and now I'm like mixing this together. I feel like it gets even stretchier once you keep on playing with it. So that's nice. But yeah, this is really nice once I keep on playing with it. It's like, I don't know, I like it. It's really nice. Like, the texture is so amazing. I don't know, I don't know. I really like this one. So yeah, let's move on. Next up, we're going to do the banana cloud slime. And this one says it's scented. And I'm excited to see the texture of this cloud slime because I have like tried store-bought cloud slimes before and they weren't that nice. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this goes. And again, I'm like super happy that these open like amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. I keep on saying that, but I really genuinely am. So yeah, okay, let's do it. No, oh my gosh. What? Why is this so amazing? Why is this like actually like soft? Oh my gosh. This is a genuine cloud slime. Like, I'm not kidding. This actually feels like cloud slime. This actually feels like an actual cloud slime. Like, what? Oh my gosh. This is amazing. It's like really sizzly. This is, oh my gosh, I love this one. It's like really soft. It does have like a bit of fallout, but that's fine. Like, I don't care, okay? I don't care. It's awesome. I literally only have one cloud slime and it's not even that good. So I'm like really happy. And I've never made cloud slime before. Well, I have, but like with an instant snow that was not good at all. And it didn't work. So yeah, I don't know if that would count. But yeah, this is like really nice. Oh my gosh. This is probably my new favorite. Like, I know I said the other one was amazing, but I like this one better. So yeah, but let me smell it. Okay, I kind of smell a bit of banana, but again, it like, I don't know, I feel like it needs to be scented a bit more. I mean, it's not really that annoying to me because usually the scents on store-bought slimes aren't the best. But like, I don't know. I feel like since this is like so far amazing, they would have put amazing scents on it. I don't know, maybe my nose just doesn't detect it or something. Maybe there is a scent that like people smell. But like this actually drizzles. I don't really know how to do cloud slime ASMR because I've only played with them like a few times before, so I'm sorry that it's like really bad. But this one is just so nice. This is my new favorite, okay? This is so amazing. Oh my gosh. I am obsessed. This is probably going to be a really long video, but like, this is amazing. No kidding. Like, I would definitely recommend this so far. Like, I would definitely recommend getting this, and it's actually pretty cheap. So like, this is amazing so far. If you're at Target sometime, then definitely pick this. What? Definitely pick this up because it is so amazing. I love it. So the next one is candy slime, and I'm so excited for this one. It was the one that had like the glitter and gems. So yeah, it looks like it's just a clear slime. Let me see if it says. It just says candy slime. It doesn't say like what type of slime. But yeah, I'm so excited for this one. Alright, let's take this off. Oh, that was cool. Whoa. Wait, let me smell it first. This one, I can smell something in it. It actually smells pretty nice. Wait. Yeah, that smells like candy. That smells like, it smells sweet. I like this scent. It smells like, it's again a light scent, but it smells nice. So let's pop this bubble. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? This slime is so, oh my gosh. Hold on. Wait, oh my gosh. You're kidding right now. Oh. This is actually like amazing clear slime. What? Oh my gosh. What? This is so nice. I'm not kidding. Like, this is so nice. And it has like the gems in it. It's so pretty. I love this one. It's like super, I don't know, it's like soft. It's amazing. I love this one. This one is really nice. Doesn't have the best pokes, but like, I don't know. I don't really care because I love like it. It's like, first of all, really pretty. Second of all, I love the scent. Third of all, it has a nice texture. And yeah, it's just like, and also it's like super clear. Like, wow, how do they do this? This is amazing. I love this one. So let's move on to the last one. So the last one is Cotton Candy Cloud, which is another cloud slime. So yeah, I'm really excited for this one, and I'm excited to see if it actually smells like cotton candy. So yeah, let's open it up. I'm so excited. Even though it's almost over, I'm still super excited. I finally opened it, and oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. You know, this reminds me of like shave ice, or like snowball, some people say it. Oh my gosh, whoa. Okay, let's do it. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. Again, this feels like so nice. At first, it's like, it almost feels like an icy slime, but then when you keep on mixing it, it feels more like a cloud slime, which is really cool. So yeah, whoa, that looks cool. Okay. I don't know, I feel like it, at first, it's like not too stretchy, but then like as you keep on stretching it, it's like way better. Oh my gosh, this reminds me kind of like of Spider-Man. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love this. Oh wait, let's smell it. Okay, so it has that like, it's kind of the same scent as the candies one. It's like a bit different. But I don't know, I feel like it does smell sweet and stuff. I like the last scent more, but this one is definitely still a nice scent. And yeah, this is kind of like the same texture as the banana one, maybe a bit different. But it's still really nice. I love this. So yeah, let's do a drizzle. Well, you guys can't really see because of like the angle. But let me try to get it at a better angle so you can actually see it. Okay, so I got it like a bit more up, so let me try and do the drizzle. I'll try to do it like extra for you guys. Okay. That one wasn't that good. Let me try again. But this is actually an amazing cloud slime. I don't know how they made it like so that a store-bought slime can be like actually an amazing cloud slime. But like, I'm sorry, I'm bad at drizzling. I feel like it's so weird. Like whenever I'm doing it on camera, it's like bad, but whenever I'm doing it off camera, it's like amazing. I don't know. I feel like can anybody relate? But yeah, this is just amazing. I love this one so much. Yeah, just amazing. I love it. So yeah, that was all the slimes. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this like helped if you wanted to buy like the slime pack and you were like, well, I wanted to look at reviews, you know, the slime pack. I didn't know, you know, what am I saying? I didn't know if I should get it. Like, is it too expensive? Are the scents good? Is it good quality? Are they pretty? All that stuff that you think about when you're buying it. And yeah. But wait, oh my gosh, I totally forgot. I still have to unpack the charm, so let's see what it is. Oh, it's kind of like a mini Ziploc bag. Oh, that's so cute, oh my gosh, okay. So let me open this, and I'll be back. So I got it open, and let's see what we got. I'm try to get it out of here. All right, let's see. It's so cute. It's like a palm tree. Oh my gosh, that's so cute for summer. I know summer is almost over, but still, it's like so cute. I'm sorry, there's like stuff in my hand, but it's like a palm tree unicorn. That is so cute. That's like the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is like, I'm not kidding. This is so cute. Let me do like a little thing with one of the slimes with the charm so you guys can see it. Okay, let's just do this one. Okay, there we go. It's so cute. Yeah, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Just like to top your slime off, you know, for a photo. That'd be super cute. Yeah, I love this. It's so cute. So yeah, definitely would recommend this. I definitely would buy this if I was looking at Target and I was like, I need some more slime. I definitely would go over there and buy it if I were you. So yeah, this is amazing. I would give it 10 out of 10, 5 stars. Just amazing. There's like literally everything about it is good other than the scents. For some of the slimes, everything else is amazing. Like the textures are amazing. Like they're spot on. They are awesome. Like, so yeah, I would definitely recommend this. And yeah, bye guys.